Hi friends. In these days, charitable trusts and institutions claiming exemption under section 1023C or under section 11 are facing several issues because the law and procedure relating to registration of these trusts has been changed with effect from 1st April 2021. Under the new provision, all the existing trusts are required to obtain fresh registration in order to continue exemption under the Income Tax Act. Recently, the CBDT has notified the form and manner for registration under new provision. In this video, we are discussing the procedure to be followed by all the existing trusts and by the new organizations as well. Similarly, the procedure to be followed at the time of renewal of registration and for obtaining registration under certain specific circumstances has also been discussed in this video. Let us start one by one. First of all, we talk about the existing trust. All the existing trusts which are already registered under section 12A or under section 12AA need to apply for fresh registration within 3 months starting from the 1st April 2021, that is latest by the 30th June 2021. For this purpose, trusts are required to file application in recently substituted Form 10A. This form shall be filed electronically. On receipt of the application, the Principal Commissioner or Commissioner shall grant registration for the period of 5 years without making any fresh inquiry. In fact, such registration shall be automatic. The order for registration shall be granted in new Form 10AC, and a unique registration number shall also be issued to all the freshly registered trusts. The order for registration shall be passed within 3 months from the end of the month in which application is filed. Let us talk about the new organization. Under the new provision, the new organizations are required to first apply for provisional registration. For this purpose, the application shall be filed in the substituted Form 10A at least 1 month prior to the commencement of the previous year for which registration is to be needed. For example, for availing of exemption for the year 22-23, the trust need to apply latest by 28th February 2022. Now a question may arise, what will be the procedure for the current year 21-22? Actually, it is now clarified that all the application for provisional registration filed during the year 21-22, the provisional registration shall be effective from the assessment year 22-23 itself, and the trust need not to wait for 1 more year. The provisional registration shall be granted for the period of 3 years. All the provisionally registered trusts need to convert their provisional registration into normal registration before expiry of the period of 3 years or within 6 months from the commencement of its activities, whichever is earlier. For this purpose, the trust need to file Form 10AB, which is recently introduced. This form shall also be filed electronically. On receipt of application in Form 10AB, the Principal Commissioner or Commissioner shall make all necessary inquiry for its satisfaction, and then only they issue order for normal registration in new Form 10AD. The order for registration shall be issued within 6 months from the end of the month in which application is submitted by the trust. Actually, the period of provisional registration shall not remain effective more than 6 months once they start its activities, and in this cases the period of 3 years will not be relevant. Let us come upon the trust obtained which are registered under section 12AB, and now they want to renew their registration because the period of registration under section 12AB is due to expire. In such cases, the trust need to apply in form number 10AB at least 6 months prior to the expiry of the registration. On receipt of this application, the Commissioner shall again make necessary inquiry for its satisfaction and then grant order for registration for the period of 5 years. Thus now the concept of perpetual registration has come to an end, and all the trusts need to renew their registration after every 5 years. Now the procedure for the trust whose registration has become inoperative due to approval under section 1023C or under section 1046, and now they need to make it operative. In such cases, these trusts need to apply in same form 10AB at least 6 months prior to the commencement of the assessment year from which the registration is sought to be operative. On receipt of application, Principal Commissioner or Commissioner shall make necessary inquiry and then pass order of registration for the period of 5 years. In case of modification of the objectives of the trust again need to undergo the same procedure for registration, and they need to file same form number 10AB within 30 days from the date of modification of its object. On receipt of the application, the Commissioner or Principal Commissioner shall again make inquiry for their satisfaction and then issue order for registration in form number 10AD for the period of 5 years. It is also to be taken care of that if at any point of time it is found that the form number 10A or 10AB are not in order, then the Commissioner shall have right to cancel the order of registration. Now the procedure of registration shall be completely electronic, and for this purpose a unique registration number shall be issued to all the trusts and institutions getting registration under this new procedure. Similar kind of changes have also been made in regard of approval for the purpose of section 1023(6) and for the purpose of section 80G. We will discuss these amendments in our next videos. Thank you.